We're here in Estes Park and the snow is coming down. As you can see, we're home because the town has asked everybody to stay home and not go out on the road so the plows can do their job. But as you can see, we've got a lot of snow here. By our predictions, we've got about 16 inches of snow here, and you can see it's coming down hard and fast. It's beautiful though. You can see these cars here in the parking lot, pretty covered with snow. It's like almost covering the wheels, and you can't see much of the little Subaru there. Can't see much of it. Wow, our driveway here is really thick. We need a snowplow to come out and plow here. It's a little thick. I think it would be tough for cars to be getting in and out of here. Just walking across here over to MacGregor, if you know where MacGregor is. But you can see the snow's coming down like crazy here. It's beautiful. And it's best for everybody to stay inside because the roads are very snow covered. This is what the roads look like here. Snow covered. A lot of snow on there. The snow plows have been by, but you can see they've been by, but there's still a lot of snow on the roads. So it's best for all of us to stay in. Hello. Except for them. Stay in and be safe. The snowplows are working hard, trying to get the snow all cleared out. But it's really coming down here. It's really coming down fast. But like I said, how beautiful is this? It's amazing how pretty it is. Big spring snowstorm. Look at the rocks, and here comes the wind. But look at the rocks. It's 9 o'clock in the morning here in Estes Park. The snow's coming down like crazy. I've only been out here a few minutes and I'm covered in snow. So we will update you in a little while. Like I said, it's 9 a.m. We'll let you know how things are going as the day progresses. But it's beautiful here. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy this beautiful spring snowstorm. It's the best day to stay home and just snuggle up, keep your jammies on, and put a movie on. Stay off the roads. Just look at how beautiful that is. So pretty. The trees are just laden with snow, the rocks. It's gorgeous. What a pretty day. Come here, Chit-Chit. Hi, buddy. Hi, Chit-Chit. Hi, buddy. Hey, hi. Hi, Chit-Chit. The snow's deep. Huh? Is the snow deep? Yeah, come here. Come here. Hi, buddy. Hi. Good boy.